Welcome back to No Frills. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the JDAPT MUM-14 to the standard PVS-14 J-arm adapter. It's just a little piece of aluminum that attaches to your rail, your MUM-14 style rail on your optic or your NVG. As you can see on this side, I have a MUM-14 spec rail, and then on this side I have the adapter and the J-arm. I'm going to go ahead and insert a couple clips showing you before and after and mounting, and then I'm going to talk about how well it actually works. Okay, so if you want to find this arm, obviously the website is on the part, and you can look it up, Google it. It's JDAPT, J-D-A-P-T. This is an extremely useful product. I was really excited to find it because before I'd been using a multitude of zip ties and a J-arm that I drilled a bunch of holes in, and it was all cockeyed and not good at all. This, with it mounted, I just screwed it on, used a little red thread locker on all the threaded parts just to make sure it stays put, and it's absolutely perfect. I mean, it is dead center right on my eye, and it's looking straight forward, so I'm very happy with it. It was about 35 bucks shipped, and it was a great purchase. They just machine a little piece of aluminum, and that will adapt your MUM-14 rail or your NVM-14 rail into a PVS-14 style J-arm adapter. So basically you can buy any USGI or anything that's advertised to work with the PVS-14, and then you can mount your night vision. So I'm super happy with it. It works perfect. It's dead on. I'm looking dead at the camera right now. And I really like it. Before, my vision was, I could still see through the whole tube, but I was looking off to like about the 11 o'clock instead of being on the 12. So, give these guys your money, look them up, and get your nods mounted. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Molan Labe.